going to discover one of the most breathtaking wonders of Sri Lanka, Sigiriya, known as the Lion Rock. Rising majestically from the heart of the island, Sigiriya is not just a rock fortress but a symbol of ancient engineering, art, and culture. Built during the reign of King Kashapa in the 5th century, this magnificent site stands as the statement to the brilliance of Sri Lankan's early civilization. As you approach Sigiriya, you are welcomed by beautiful landscape gardens, among the oldest in the world. These include water gardens, symmetrical pathways, and fountains that still function during the rainy season. This shows the advanced knowledge of hydraulic engineering even centuries ago. As we climb higher, the famous Sigiriya fortress come into view. This ancient painting of graceful women known as Heavenly Maiden still retain their beauty and vibrant color. Alongside them is a mirror wall, once polished so well that the king could see his reflection. Halfway up you reach the iconic Lion Gate, where massive lion paws carved from stone guard the entrance. This is where the Sigiriya gets its name, the Lion Rock. As the summit, the ruin of King Kashapa's palace away. From here, you can enjoy a stunning panoramic view of lush green forest stretching as far as the eye can see. It is a where history meets natural beauty. Today, Sigiriya is recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Site and continue to attract visitors from around the world. It's not just a tourist destination but a proud symbol of Sri Lankan's rich heritage. In conclusion, Sigiriya is more than a rock. It is a story carved in a stone, a masterpiece of ancient innovation, and a must-visit treasure of Sri Lanka. Thank you.